What is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's tutorial on how to buy CRV, Curve DAO Token on Coinbase. So for the first step we need to log into our Coinbase account, and after that there are three options right on the top corner. We would like to select the middle one, the buy and sell button, click on it, and after that this buying overview will be opened. As you can see, I have selected the one-time purchase. I would like to purchase it for one time. But if you need a different frequency, you can click on it and select the buying frequency which suits for you. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy the coins. I'm using €2, but if you're using other currencies, then simply select the wallet you would like to use down below. After that, we can select the buying option and the asset we are going to buy. Click on it. And we would like to buy the CRV coin, the Curve DAO token, and select it. Now it's selected and we can head over to the review order button. Click on it and now Coinbase will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 3.3 coins and I'm spending €1.01. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 cents. The total amount we are spending is the €2 we have filled in the previous overview, and they also give us an option to invest on a weekly base. If you select this button, then this €2 will be spent every week on this coin repeatedly. You can cancel it at any time, so that is not a worry for you. And after that, you can click on the buy now option. If you click on this up button, then the coins will be directly added to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.